Hello. Well, some things I cannot control, like the fact that electricity was lost. Actually, that's why we had a buffering issue because I didn't have internet anymore, and I had to rely on the hotspot. So the MacBook automatically connected to hotspot, but seems like the phone internet it's not able to hold. Yeah, it's not able to hold the transmission. Well, sometimes shit happens, guys. It's absolutely normal. Seems like I need Starlink or something to back up the potential live streams because I cannot keep them on hotspot. And yeah, not bad at all. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, so I was asked about the indicators. These are the indicators that I'm using for the intra-sessions trading. DR, IDR, session sweep, and spaceman. I'm sorry, yeah, once again. I posted a part, I bet, yeah, we cannot get the same people back again, but we had like 150. But let's go back at charting. Made some nice profits again this morning. Seems like we've been lucky again. So Doge. All right. So Dogecoin, what I was mentioning about is the fact that we lost multiple areas of support. So the most important one is this one, which is actually still holding. And we can look at the range game. If this area is lost, most likely we will be speaking about the range loads. So there is a probability for Dogecoin to tap this 0.5 area. We have the 10 by 10 week. And frankly, honestly, I don't see too much strength there. It is as the reality, but we might see lower. Let's try to push the post because not too many people joined. I don't think that too many people know that I and all right, let's go on the other posts. I'll take from the comments. I'll take them from the comments. 1 second. We have about 38 requests. All right. Pangu. Someone asked about Pangu USDT. So let's delete everything. Well, for me, it's quite clear. The intention of Pangu. So listing price is the next for Pangu. We are fighting the 10 by 10 week right now. And most likely we'll be heading to this lower area. Yeah, 0.0044. That would be it. Yeah, the ES long is going well, I saw. We are making money. Not bad. Well, we are constantly. We are lucky on a daily basis here. We are trading, guys. We are not predicting. I'm not LARPing or showing off something that I didn't made or done. We are traders, and that's what we do. So I don't like Pangu until it takes the listing lows. JVX now, I have an entry already at 1.6. You can see if this range low holds, I think I can get an easy sell half on a double. Well, people are asking me for Aster. So they are asking me about Aster way after I'm already in a position in very good profits. But when I posted Aster 1 week ago, it was a goblin town. Nobody was speaking about it. What should I do on Aster now? I'm enjoying my profits. So go and check my Twitter. You'll see that I posted Aster about 1 week ago when it was at my entry. All right, Rune. Well, Rune. Rune was having a very good risk to reward setup if we would have held these lows here. But you can see what is happening on Rune. It's actually, it goes for the lowest lows listing price on Binance. So I'm waiting for those, and after that, maybe I will search for some setups, but only after that. Only after that. Let's check Zero. I'm already having a position on this one. You can see the entry, it's 1.48. Gave another entry here, 1.46, 48. And that's the area. I'm targeting first pivot here at 2.4. So already long on Zero. Link, let's check Link. I'm not looking at the comments for the moment, guys. I'm just looking at the Twitter post, and I'm taking the request from there. So if you want a request, go and post it in the comments. Link, you can see, I'm just looking at this downtrend channel. I was looking to short here the 12. I do think we will get lower levels at $5. So judging by the look of Link, $5, it's next. Solana. So what do you want from Solana here? It's hanging. You can see it's hanging here, and looks like it's about to fall way more aggressively to the downside. So if this area it's lost, the 79, then it's going to teleport to the next pivot point, which is about $51. CRV. What the heck I have here on CRV? A random line. Yeah, it's looking like crap for the moment. All the levels that I was looking to trade off mostly have been lost. Yeah, ChevX, I already spoke about it. QNT range game. So QNT, I'm looking to play the range. I already have a long spot actually. Spot bids all this area from 55 to 40. I think it's an easy sell half on a double. If you manage to get in at the $40, and then you can easily sell the 100. Stream is broken. No, it's back live. Yeah, it's back live. Everything is fine now. Good morning. Rose. Let's check Rose. Rose. Well, well, well. I took partial here at 0.02 from my longs, but I was expecting this area to hold a little bit better, the 0.014. It's not holding, so I'm not adding to my positions. They are risk-free already. I'll let them as they are. Axie, I see Rizvan posted. Let's check Axie. We managed to ride this one really, really nice. Oh, it came back to my random line. Damn it. So Axie came back to my random squiggly and is trying to find a base here. I reloaded on this area. I took partial here at the red line. And here is the area where I'm reloading. It's not looking bad. It's looking strong. I think I already discussed about Zero. Yeah, that I'm long already. Yeah, no, I'm not in the woods. Or basically, I think I'm in the woods, yeah. I'm not home, definitely at the office. So I have to rely on the power grid here. XML. What's this? XML? I never heard of. I think you wanted XLM because you are relating to XRP. Yeah. 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 Now I'm expecting to go all the way back down here at 0.09. If we put a volume profile, you'll see that, yeah, it's the most traded area. So I do expect XLM to go way lower. XRP has indeed a different setup that I'm looking at. And it's looking a little bit stronger. I mean, it's holding way better than XLM is doing. Why is everyone asking me about Aster? Aster was to be checked 1 week ago, not now. I'm long on Aster from last week. What should I do now? You guys are killing me. I think I was asked about Aster 5 times. When you guys are asking me about Aster, I think I should take profits because everyone is watching at it. When I longed Aster, nobody was speaking about it. And everyone was saying, well, fuck Aster is going to zero. Well, that was one of the main reasons why, if you go on my Twitter last week, I said, let's long Aster. And now I'm already taking partials from the trade. Well, well, well. And once again, we did profits. Look at it. Was a nice trade, made fast money. Well, I posted Aster at 0.5, Tommy Hacker. Publicly, I said at 0.5 that I'm long Aster. Well, that's another question. You said Aster. So you just posted Aster as a comment. You didn't said, well, what's your target for the Aster? That's a totally different approach. Yeah. My target is $1. And I think it will be front run, so my target is about 0.99 cents. But I wouldn't long here even if you give me free money. So no, thank you. Yeah, I did spoke about XPL. So XPL is looking way worse than XPL, not XLM. Sorry, my mistake. Man, XPL is looking like crap, honestly. It lost the listing price. We are below listing price. But I would do, if we want a slight bounce, I like the price to get on the other side of the trend line here. But it's looking bad. Honestly, it's looking damn bad. One second to post this for the VIP guys to make it risk-free. Well, not bad. I mean, I made money yesterday, I made money last night, and I made money again this morning. Can't complain on this one. I think we took about 5 trades and all of them were wins. Yeah, well, that's a good point from Paul, because all the eyes are on Aster right now, and everyone says that Aster is curing cancer now. And I do think, look at it, this SFP here, Monday high SFP, and I should take the short. 1 second. So Monday high, Sunday high, 1 hour candle close above. That's more than enough for me to trigger a short. Alrighty, guys. Took a short on Aster. I do trade gold a lot, yeah. I trade gold. But when I have a setup, for example, here, took a short, made some money. I'm not interested now in anything. Well, not too many other requests from what I saw on the Twitter posts. So let me know if you are interested about any other chart down in the comments. Yeah, I took that SFP. It's a Monday high sweep. It's a pretty clean one. Well, I made this one risk-free, up to everyone how you manage the trade. I took this short on Aster. Looks like an AMD. like an AMD setup here. And one day, if anyone is asking me about Aster again, I will time out you. And not joking. Others dominance. Well, I was discussing about this chart. If you go on my Twitter or if you are on Discord, I was discussing about the fact that it looks good. But I think we need way more than just this chart to have a proper run. Because if we look at the others, we have an AB equals CD with 78.6 completed at 154. But still, it looks like shit. Okay, I'll have to keep my word and I have to time out you. I'll time you out 5 minutes. There you go. I keep my word. Anna, I don't know, guys. I saw the same stuff, people discussing about Anna, but I do think that it's not the right time to go on altcoins on a high time frame. Just my 2 stupid cents. If you manage to get in and out fast, yeah, that can work. But yeah, I don't think so. We can trade one day, like having swing trades. On Dusk, I already played this one out. I managed to get an entry at 0.4, 0.5. I took profits at 0.23. I loaded back again at 0.08, and I took profits again here. You can watch all the executions. I posted them. And for this one, for Aster, I took a short here. I'll target around here. And I have a wider stop loss for a 3-1 here. 685. Give it some room to breathe. I never like to choke the trades and have the entry exactly pinpointed at the week high. I took the profits from this one because it can leave equal highs. I took at 2-1. I'm okay. It can leave equal highs into this triple tap and then go for them the next session. Well, there is no other way to measure the fib, Dimitri. The ones who are telling you to measure the fib from the candle body, they are not traders. If you measure the fib from the candle body, I don't know, bullshit like this, let me show you. I saw that crap. This is not fib. This is bullshit. This is not how you measure fib. I saw someone sent me a TikTok or Instagram, I can't remember, and there were some shitfluencers measuring the Fibonacci from candle body to candle body. I don't care. It can have even a broken clock is right 2 times a day. So don't come with that stupidity here, please. That's not how you measure a fib, how you put a fib. No, I don't have any idea about Bitcoin mimicking anything. And I don't know how to trade that. I'm here to trade. I'm not here to have observations that I can call myself being right after some time. I enjoy to trade, honestly. I like to trade a lot. Because we can have multiple SFPs. We can have multiple swing failures until the price will be breaking down. That's why. CRV. I think I took already a look at CRV. And I said it's looking very bad. So most likely, if we are not holding this blue line, we'll see even lower from CRV. So it's not looking good at all. Yeah, I don't even want to discuss like stupid things like measuring the fib from the candle body or shit like that. It's a waste of time. I was looking at Zeke. I want to short this shit again because I do think it will go back to $10 or $20. So I want a quick bounce from this crap. I want some exit liquidity from the whale, something like this, and then so I can short. Man, I'd love to have something like this. I'd love to have something like this. Well, if you have a setup for Bitcoin mimicking IGV, then pose the setup. Honestly, I don't want to go over things that I'm not interested in or that I'm not interested in. Do-do-do-do-do. Can you check Sol Link? Yeah, I'll check Sol Link. But do you want it like Sol USDT dot Sol USDT Link USDT, something like this? Or you want me to check Sol or Link? This chart cannot be taken in consideration. But I did check previously both Solana and Link. Link is looking like crap, honestly. I saw people being bullish about Link, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I don't know. I have some random TA did here for the things that I was looking to short here. Then I wanted to short here and I was front run. Lots of front running on the short. So the price action is really damn weak, guys. Nice. So near. Let's see what Paul posted. We are long, short, okay. Let me check. IOTA Aptos. I said that I will only take the requests from the link on Twitter. If you don't post the request on the Twitter post, like go and comment there, and I will take your chart request. Yeah, let me post the link here. Someone asked about near on the Twitter post. Let's check near. Near, very important level, honestly. But as I said here, if we are losing this $1 level, if we are losing the $1 level, then most likely we'll see 0.5. So we will see the 50 cents area. Are you having issues with the stream, guys? If we are losing the $1 level, then most likely we'll see 0.5. No, stream should be fine. Stream should be fine. Let me see if I have any other comments because I'm aiming to close it. Yeah, so I checked Sol and Link. Both of them, they are looking quite bad, honestly. If we are losing the levels which I was highlighting, then it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Made some money on the ES long. On the Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm not interested on anything for the moment. Absolutely anything. I don't like the location. Structure, it's wacky. I can't say that I would long that one because if you see, we are against a resistance here. I don't like it. So, no, thank you. I'll stay with my shorts. IOTA, let's check IOTA. Let's check IOTA. Going for the week low. Going for that 0.05. You can see we already lost, which was supposedly my area of support. Lost it. We go lower. So send it lower. And Aptos, listing price and 10 by 10 week. So Aptos, we came down inside the listing price. Now, what I want to see in this area, it's an accumulation wyckoff, which would frankly look like a round bottom, something like this. I want to see an accumulation wyckoff happening. Otherwise, I can see it going way lower. See, someone asked about APU. APU. APU CDT, maybe? Maybe APU CDT. I want a chart that actually looks normal. There we go. Well, 3 drives on a high time frame. Only if it reclaims this pivot low. Not bad. That would trigger also a W. Not bad. But first, we need to see a proper reclaim of this neckline. What the fuck is happening? All right. So we need a proper reclaim of that W neckline. Someone really asked me to show Aster setup one more time. I said I will time out anyone who's asking about Aster. Again, time out 1 minute. There you go. I have to keep my word. I think I showed Aster 20 times today. Yeah, we need to wait for the W's on the weekly. If you followed PJ on yesterday live, he had a very, very comprehensive live stream yesterday on the weekly crypto review. So he basically mentioned that if we want some structure, if we want some pumps here and there, we basically need proper structure. And we are missing proper structure. So why to ape randomly in positions if we don't have any structure formed? I don't see a reason. Just me. Also, I'm having a position on this one. It's risk-free. But you can see my levels. If this area is not holding, then, man, I think Jasmine is going way lower. I would see it easily at 0.033. Well, everyone asking about Aster, it's actually making me taking profits from my long. Exactly like I was thinking. I mean, when I took the long here, nobody was speaking about it. At 0.4, 0.5, I started loading up. I posted the setup, and nobody became interested about it. That's interesting because no one was interested about it. Yeah. All right. So if nobody has any other requests, because I don't see any other comments on Twitter, then I think I'll call it a session. I'm going back to trading. Um, Wait 1 second to post an update because I want to make sure people are making it risk-free. Like PJ was mentioning in the live, I really don't like the fact that everyone and their mother is now hopping into this shitcoin, and most likely it will go belly up back again. Oh my god, I cannot time out Paul. But well, Paul had a point. I mean, Paul made a point since 2 days ago, and since Monday, and he said exactly the same thing. He says, guys, I'm seeing this shit all over my timeline. Everyone is aping. Zero taking off as we speak. Well, I said I already have a position on Zero from this area. It's approaching my TP1 at 2.12 here. And then the last take profit, it's 2.4. This is a trade which I took. What? Are you joking? To short it now? Why to short it now and why didn't you short here? Come on, guys. Why would you short it now? Why? Why to short it now? It's not for me. I'm trading differently. I'm not. I don't know if you follow me on for a period, but no. And if you short it now, where the fuck do you put the stop loss? So you take the short here, you put the stop loss here, and take profit where? Here? This is not a trade, guys. This is not trading. Understand? No, I wouldn't take a trade on Zero. Exactly the same thing which I was highlighting here. Come on, guys. Why I would take a trade here after it already lifted off? Come on. All right. I think I'll call it a session. Man, was a really good session. I mean, made my 2 to 1 on S&P. I'm short Aster, short on Ethereum from the top, short on Bitcoin from the top. Yesterday we managed to make nice profits on ES and Nasdaq. Today we managed again to hit a 2 to 1 on ES. So I don't know, not bad. If I would take a trade like Zero on leverage, well, it's up to you. It's your plan. Why would you ask me if I would take a trade like this on leverage? It doesn't matter and it's irrelevant, honestly. But if you want to know my plan, like my personal plans, no. I never take a trade that's on daily or a weekly time frame on leverage. No, it's not risky. No, it's not risky, but I don't like spending 1 week inside a trade on leverage. It's just me. If I'm shorting, that's a different story because I cannot short on spot. Shorts, I do keep them for a longer period of time. Uh, all right. Let's call it a session because I almost did this one for 2 hours. Damn me. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. We had about 80 people in the second one and 140 people in the first one. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll hear you in 4 hours from now. Actually, Paul will keep it for everyone. So if you want to join live trading session, hop in with Paul in the next one. Bye bye, everyone. Hear you later. Bye bye.